next episode of the Joe Show. Did you ever get on? It's Joe fixing the car and he has no idea what he's at. Well guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. It is another day now where I'm going out at the Cefiro. Now it's 12 o'clock. I had planned to be out of the car hours ago, except I stayed up till 5 o'clock last night drinking cans and playing Forza. So, right, so the plan for today is to try and get the prop shaft and the half shafts installed into the car, and also to get the rear subframe, sorry, get the rear arms and the hubs and get everything done for like running gear wise. And what else then? I'd like to try and get all the wiring finished, being hooked up today. And sure, you never know, maybe it'll run, maybe it won't, but we'll give it a good shot. Right, so I have pretty much everything ready now to go into to be fitted into the car. Now I have me half shafts. I lost the bolts, but I'm after finding them. It's great, everything is put away really safely. It's put away so safe that I can't find them half the time. So obviously I'm just gonna, this will be bolted on to there, but this is a little crusty looking and a little bit dirty, and it'd be nice if it was a little bit tidier. But here's one I prepared earlier. So these are already painted ages ago because they were intended to be fitted onto the other Cef. Now on that setup I don't have the backing plate for the brake shoes and all the likes of that. But I have this subframe here out of an R33 Skyline, and the brake shoes are going to be the same, the backing plate is the same, so I have plenty to keep me going now for today. So this will probably take a little bit of time, so sit back, get some popcorn, have a beer and check this out. Now, just a real quick one about the half shafts for the Cefiro, and it's pretty much the same for S bodies and Skylines. Is the half shafts are different lengths, so you can get caught out by putting the wrong one on the wrong side. So you can see here I have the two of them lined up, and if we go to the other side, you can see there's about an inch difference in the length of the two of them, and that will cause issues if you're putting when you're trying to fit everything together and you have the wrong one on the wrong side. So the short one is for the passenger side, the long one is for the driver's side, I hope. And so yeah, we'll just get cracking with fitting this, fitting the rest of the arms, the new hub carrier, and then we will look at putting on the backing plate as well. Right, so I ran into a small problem. It's something that I didn't spot until I went to fit the backing plate and the hub. Right, so this hub here is off an R34 GTT Skyline, and it has this bit of a yoke sticking up out of the top of it, which is in the way of that little yoking here. So I kept the backing plate off the R34 GTT, and I also kept the bits for bolting it on. So hopefully this will solve the issue that I'm after running into now. I'll just get cracking with it and see what happens. Worst case scenario, I'll see about getting a 5-stud hub off the Skyline that doesn't have that bit of a knobbing on it, or off a S14 or something. But probably have to get one off an R33 or an R32. But look, I'll just keep going. It was something I didn't spot straight away when I was fitting all this, but fingers crossed I'll have it sorted now. Right, so today didn't go to plan really. Today took an awful lot longer than what it should have, and the issue was I put the half shaft in first before I put the wheel bearing onto the hub, which meant that I couldn't get to the bolts in behind it. So lesson learned, half shaft goes in last. Yeah, I'm kind of annoyed at myself that I made that mistake, but sure, look, it's nothing major. We learn from our mistakes, don't we? I think it's better to stop making plans as to what I'm doing on a certain day. Just kind of have a list of things to do and try and get through them as I go along. But look, cheers for checking out the video. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. Hit that like, subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll be back with more for the next episode. For the next episode of the Joe Show. Did you ever get on? It's Joe fixing the car and he has no idea what he's at.